LTE, long-term evolution. Everyone's talking about it. Operators are embracing it. But what does it mean in the real world? This is the simple truth about LTE. LTE is 4G technology and a major step forward for the communications industry. It's extremely fast, efficient, and intelligent, which will make for an extreme communications experience. And that's great for delivering what people want profitably. Let me explain. It's a safe bet that people are looking for more bandwidth, better quality, and services tuned to their own personal profile. We know from experience that end users are only prepared to pay this much. The problem is that providing all of this extra stuff means that operator costs go up. LTE solves this problem through its very low cost per megabit. Also, lots of happy customers using great new services in itself drives demand. But meeting this demand is just the start of the story. Communication so far has mostly been about people speaking to people. The future of communications will be about all kinds of things speaking to each other through the internet. What the experts call the Internet of Things. Every coffee maker, toaster, car engine, and goods pallet could be equipped with a low-cost LTE chip that will connect it to an ever-growing network. And according to even conservative forecasts, there will be billions, even trillions of these connections, each generating a tiny amount of data. Do the math. That's a lot of data. So the LTE business case takes on a whole new dimension. In fact, it's been called a key part of the largest organic growth opportunity in the history of business. Behind LTE, there will be a broad ecosystem. Many players will be involved, from handset suppliers and software developers to infrastructure vendors and chipset manufacturers. Plus, with LTE devices in billions of places in the Internet of Things, there will be plenty of opportunities for a whole range of new players to get in on the act. On top of all this, the switchover will be fairly straightforward. There is already a base station, the LTE-compatible flexi-base station from Nokia Siemens networks, that works for both 3G and 4G, which means that the upgrade to LTE can be as simple as a remote software upgrade. Extreme efficiency, extreme experience, extreme intelligence, lots of demand, supported by an unprecedented communications ecosystem. And that's the simple truth about LTE.